Out of Woodlands. We're going to Checkpoint. Woodlands Checkpoint. Central 9, Pacific Central Loop.
Later.
Bye-bye Singapore.
So windy.
Welcome to Malaysia. Yes. To Malaysia, Johor Bahru. Welcome to Malaysia, Johor Bahru. Malaysia, Johor Bahru. Bus station. I'm going to KL. Wow, Lagonsik, Pachay. Chinese New Year decoration, right? KSL already. We are now at KSL City, happening always. KSL. Going inside KSL. Price, oh. Tongtai traditional. We are now at Tongtai. Thai massage. Thai massage. Wala yung Thai. Tongtai massage. Yes, Tongtai massage. Yung tingnan natin yung ano. Guys, after kong mag-massage, may ano sila binigay na ginger tea. Yan, iniinom ko yan ngayon, guys. Free ginger tea sila after massage. By kulit-kulit, guys. So, cheese and salted egg. Saranya Bangkok food. Wow, Saranya Bangkok food. We eat our lunch here at Saranya Bangkok food. This is our food. It's a tom yum. Bangkok yum. Thai tea. Labubu. The man shining man. 79 ringgit. Yeah, nice. Impurao Kopitiam. Roti boy, 7 pieces. Roti boy. Okay, roti boy 7 pieces. Guys, ito pala yung nabili ko sa Johor Bahru, KSL. Kulit-kulit, roti boy. Importante ang makeup ko. Yan, yan. Tapos itong dalawang pants para sa work at dalawang pang pasyal-pasyal. At ito naman cuttlefish. Yan lang naman ang nabili ko doon sa Johor Bahru, KSL. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless everyone. Stay safe. Bye-bye.